Good morning, viewers. So I'm at Pune railway station and I'm going to Mumbai today. हम travel कर रहे हैं एक special coach से which is Vista Dome. Apparently ये आपकी Deccan Express और प्रगति ट्रेन जो है दोनों मुंबई जाती हैं. इसमें एक स्पेशल कोच दिया है विस्टा डोम. द यूएसपी ऑफ दिस कोच इज़ कि आप अच्छे व्यूज़ को एंजॉय कर सकते हैं कंसिडरिंग दैट इट हैज़ huge glass windows and like the word says Vista Dome. Vista comes from the Spanish word view and Vista Dome, so that you can enjoy the views. So let's see how the train is. I'm heading to the station now. That's the Pune station. The station has escalators which makes the journey much more smoother between the platforms. This is the third train between Pune and Mumbai to run with Vista Dome coach. The others are Deccan Express and Deccan Queen Express. The scheduled departure time from Pune Junction is 7:50 am and it arrives at Mumbai CST at 11:25 am. On the return journey, the train leaves at 4:25 pm from Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal and reaches Pune at 7:50 pm. The train takes about 4 hours to cover the distance between Mumbai and Pune. I was really looking forward to all that was coming up next. So guys, let me give you a bit of an overview of the train first. The Pragati Express is a seated train and has both AC and non-AC coaches, but there's only one Vista Dome coach. The coach is often touted to give a 360-degree overview, but I think that's a bit of an exaggeration. It has huge windows and skylights, and that makes the viewing experience quite an immersive one. The seats are large and quite comfortable. The legroom is great. And we also have space for keeping cups and bottles plus a charging point with each seat. The luggage space is separate and quite large. Toilets have never been the strong points of Indian Railways, but this one is not so bad. It's very small but functional. There's soap, toilet paper, faucet and running water. As the train journey started, people got more and more comfortable. Everybody started chatting. The kids, they started playing stone, paper, scissors. Phones soon came out for clicking pictures. Some rotated the seats to relish the grand and dramatic views from the large windows, and some tired souls just decided to sleep. The best part about a train journey is standing right next to the open door and letting that strong wind cut through your face. लेकिन मेरी ये मस्ती ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं टिक पाई क्योंकि कुछ ही देर में डोर क्लोज करने के लिए आ गए थे हमारे टीटीआई. मैं हूँ आकाश विश्वकर्मा जी के साथ में जो कि इस कोच के एसी इंचार्ज हैं. और कौन से स्टेशन आते हैं बीच में?
लोनावाला, पनवेल, थाने.
खाना मिलता है ट्रेन में?
मिलता है, बाहर से आता है.
journey, I connected with these energetic kids who spoke to me for a bit.
My name is Prihan. बहुत मजा आ रहा है। ये जो सीट्स रोटे वो कितनी अच्छी है। मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा। अभी मैं चिप्स खाऊंगा। मैं मेरी मम्मी के साथ ट्रैवल। This is how you rotate the seats. Back. And you can get a view of the big window from here. You can enjoy the window side, and there are curtains as well. So if it is sunny, you can shut it down. Show the curtains. Release it, release it. Okay, thank you so much.
So where are you from?
I am basically from Pune, but now settled in Mumbai. So now I am traveling back.
Do you usually travel by Vistadome?
No, this is my first experience in Vistadome.
And how are you finding it?
To be very honest, not that great because I actually saw the YouTube videos and followed it, and I was very excited for Vistadome initially. But the moment I entered, my entry level really dropped. I thought even the ceiling will be open and all, and it would be a transparent where we'll get to see the nature. But here it is translucent. Only the seats are rotating, but it is okay. Maybe a fantasy for kids, but for us it's a very average experience. So I feel traveling in AC compartment or in Vistadome is not much of a difference. In fact, it's okay. It's a little luxurious and less people, so it is a bit peaceful.
रास्ते में काफ़ी स्टेशंस आए जैसे लोनावला, खंडाला and the iconic Thane station, which is a very important station from a historical point of view since it served as the starting point of the first passenger train in India, which ran from Bori Bandar, now CST, to Thane in April 1853. I chose the Vistadome because I really wanted to enjoy the experience of travelling on the ghats in a train. Although it was serene and peaceful, the view during the monsoon is altogether another world. The greens become so much brighter and the journey becomes all the more pleasant. Just after the ghats, the train started entering Mumbai and the change in the topography was big. The mountains gave way to tall buildings and we eventually reached our destination, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus in Mumbai, and with this our journey ended. Travelling in the Vistadome for me was a peaceful train journey experience. It was quiet and spacey, nobody breathing on your neck. I had a lot of fun, especially because of the enthusiastic kids I met during the journey, and I hope you also enjoyed watching this video. See you at the iconic Taj Palace, which is the reason for my visit to Mumbai. So keep watching this channel, do like, comment and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe to
Perfect traveler. Please.